I love cooking, it's just sometimes I'm too lazy. I'm always craving a katsu curry. Sometimes if it's close I'll go collect it if it's cheaper, because obviously they charge delivery, so if I can collect it I'll go do that. It's been back and forth because at the beginning of COVID I was eating really healthy and stuff, and then when it kind of hit the third lockdown I gave up, and that's kind of the most junk food I've eaten. I mean, I know a lot of people who have barely touched takeaway in their life. And sometimes I will go to the smaller takeaways and that. There's one down the road, that especially during COVID and that, they've lost a lot of business. So lately we kind of try and go there. I've definitely put on weight since lockdown, or at least since the third lockdown, and that's where I've started to notice, and I've tried to kind of relax a little bit on the takeaways and try to eat healthy again, but I feel like uni's just giving me too much stress and I can't cook healthy, so the go-to is just junk. Sometimes I do feel guilty afterwards, more because of my bank. When I get a takeaway, it's not small. I get like a feast. I'm looking at like 15 to 20 pounds just for myself, just to be greedy. Sometimes I'll feel guilty about it. Sometimes I have the best sleep ever.